Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming in with my planner spread for this week. Actually, it's Wednesday, but I wanted to show you how I set up all three of my planners. I actually have four, and I haven't quite gotten the household one that I mentioned before with all the projects I want to do together, but I'll bring that to you at a later time. Well, the first one we're going to start with is my everything planner. This is what I call this one. I put everything in this. I mean, it just depends on whatever it is. It all goes in here. Household, just everyday planning, business, the whole nine will go into this one right here. So I showed it to you in a haul. So this is the cover, obviously. And I want to show you this page right here. This is the yearly goal page, and let me zoom in a little bit so you can kind of see what's happening here. These are some of the goals that I set for myself, and I have plenty of room to add more down here, but this is what I'm starting with now. So my yearly goals: read the Bible and do my Bible journaling. And I added some stickers that said stop and smell the roses. I'm trying to start a business. I'm actually in the process of. So I'm hoping everything flies right and it's successful. So that's one thing. And then be happy. I want to continue to be happy and just one with myself, because it's been a journey. Okay, and then work on me and my weight loss, which I've started that last year, and that's going very well. Text less and write more. I think we all need to do that. I used to love writing letters and stuff like that, and I'm gonna do a video where maybe we could do some letter exchanges, maybe decorate letters, not so much cards, but actually write a letter. And you know, I guess expand on the pocket letter thing. Not so much just pockets with stuff in them, but an actual letter. So again, I'll come back with that later. Spend more time doing what makes me happy. I think we all tend to get caught up in other people's lives and their problems and what's going on with them, and we seem to neglect ourselves. And if you're not happy, then you can't make anybody else happy. So my thing is to spend more time doing what makes me happy. I'm not being selfish or anything like that, but sometimes you have to be selfish in order to be happy and make others happy, but not in a bad way. So this is what I plan on doing. And then I have a sticker that says create happiness, and sometimes you have to create happiness. It doesn't always come to you. So you really need to try and do that. And then save more. We all want to save more. And a good way is stop watching these hauls. But who can resist? Because watching hauls makes you spend, honey. But anyway, you can devise a plan to kind of save and still be able to treat yourself sometimes. But that's the plan for me. And then again, as I go along, if there are other things that I want to try and do, I will add them down here. Okay, so let me zoom back out. Okay. All right, so we're getting into January. So I didn't do a whole lot. Let me get in focus. Change the light around because it was sunny. Now it's getting cloudy, and so I don't think my overhead light's doing any justice. But let me see. I guess that helps a little bit. Okay, so I didn't do a whole lot. As far as this month, but just kind of wanted you to see what I did. I actually took some, it's like an adhesive trim, more so than washi, and I trimmed out the full month, the calendar month here. And then I added some stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, and they're just motivational stickers, you know, believe you can, and you're halfway there, which is true. Just stuff to encourage me throughout the month. And then, of course, I wrote in some of the important days that I need to remember and things like that. And then, of course, if anything comes up, I will add more. So yeah, just, you know, filling out stuff and getting it all together. And I like the way this looks. It's simple. And, you know, as each month goes by, I will, you know, put more stuff in, you know, for that particular month or whatever. Just kind of kept that simple. Okay, now this is my weekly one. And I just wrote down all my little things to do. And again, I added more Dollar Tree stickers. Sorry about the interruption, y'all, but had to take that phone call. But anywho, as I was saying, this is the weekly spread. Again, I use Dollar Tree stickers in here, and then this ribbon trim. I got this from Michael's, I think it was. And I've had this for some years. I think I got this like when their stuff was still $1 in the dollar spot. But anyway, I found that in my sticker and washi stash, so I used that for this spread. And then I used a gold pen just to fill in what I wanted to accomplish this week. It looks more yellowy than gold, but anyway, that is the spread for this week. So I'll figure out what I'm gonna do next week, but again, this is my everything planner here. So let me move into the personal one. If y'all watched the planner haul video, y'all saw this one. It's this pretty rose color Carpe Diem planner, and I love this one. I love the pockets where you keep your supplies and stuff like that. So I have a pair of scissors and a ruler here. I haven't filled this part out yet. I don't know if I'm gonna. But on the back of this sheet, it has your mantra. It says your mantra goes here. And let me see, zoom in real quick, see if you could see that. But anyway, I just wrote down some of my personal mantras that will help keep me motivated and stuff like that. And one is, Lord, I can't see it. I am an infinite being capable of extraordinary things. Let's see. I'm in complete control of determining my emotions, which is true, because you can't let anybody, or nobody can make you feel any type of way unless you allow them to. So, you know, I try to keep stuff like that in mind. And then I have some more listed here, and of course I have room to list some more as I go along, but these are just a few that I want to kind of keep in mind. And then moving along, I just added some gold washi, a little sparkly washi here. Let me lift it up so you can see. I have really bad lighting in here, y'all. But anyway, just some gold washi here. I wasn't sure how I wanted to go with this, so I just added it like this. And then I wrote in gold pen and added a little gold sticker here as to some of the stuff that I want to do throughout the month, and I'll fill it in accordingly. And then let me show you this too. I added a little planner jewelry. I actually made some planner jewelry and added it in here, and you can buy, you know, planner accessories and stuff like that. All right, so moving along. And this is kind of boring to me. It was not boring to me. It may be boring to you, but it's just simple. I used the little stickers, the gold stickers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and added the dates of the month. And then I have these stickers, and it's just little motivational stickers. Starting over is sometimes a blessing in disguise, which is so true. And then I have like, I am grateful right here. Let's see if we zoom in a little bit. There we go. I am grateful, and I love my planner, and just things that I want to do, and a little appointment sticker and stuff like that. So yeah, just enjoying the planner and stuff like that. So yeah, and then of course it kind of spills over into the week or the individual days. And so Again, I just added some gold washi and then some gold and white stickers. And then right here is just another motivational sticker. It just says planning is awesome, which it is. And I kind of made a mistake, so I had to use some whiteout or some liquid paper as it was called when I was a kid. But I'm going to go back over there and fix that because I actually found my tape, the tape runner. Correction tape runner. And again, simple. This one's simple. Of course, each month I'll probably change up, and each week I'll change up and stuff like that, but it's just real simple this time. Like this is today, some of the stuff that I need to do and still plan on doing. And then like for the meal plan for today, it will be a salad because it's just me, and honey, I am not about to be cooking anything. And so yeah, real simple. And I love this planner. I can't wait to start playing in it and stuff like that. And I have my little pouch back here that I plan to attach. But yeah, that's the personal planner. Now we're gonna move into the Bible journal. And I've been enjoying this. Okay, so I have my Bible reading for the year, the list here. And I'm gonna attach this in the back. I'm just trying to figure out how I wanna do it. But I'm thinking about just kind of putting it here and just having it fold out. And I'm thinking about maybe laminating it or something. So I wanna get that bold line and it'll eventually tear and all that stuff. Or I'll figure something out. But yeah, I printed that offline. But anyway, let's start up here in the front. And I love the fact that it has the pockets that I'll probably end up filling up. But anyway, here we go. So this one just has like your favorite verses. So I listed one, and this one is Genesis 1:31. And I can't read upside down, so I'm going to turn around. It says, and God saw everything that he made, and behold, it was very good. So God thinks you're good. He made us, he created us and everything, and he thinks we're good. So why can't you think that yourself's good? You know what I mean? So that's a good verse. It just has give thanks. And you know, the first thing I listed was I'm thankful for life. I'm thankful for being alive and being able to be here and share this video with you. And then the prayer list, of course, I'm praying for family and loved ones. If there are some you out there that need some prayer, let me know. I will list you down here and pray for you. I'll pray for you anyway, but I'll be glad to put you on my prayer list. And here is the monthly spread. And so I just added some stickers and I stamped a little bit. Let me zoom in a little bit. But yeah, I have some biblical inspirational stamps and stuff specifically for Bible journaling. And I use that like the anchor stamp and then give thanks to the Lord right here. And I found these cross stickers at Walmart. I'm gonna go back and get some more of these because I really like these. I don't know why I got one pack when I got them, but yeah. And then I just wrote in some things that I want to do and things that I do and plan on doing, of course. And then you have important moments, and then I wrote something that was important to me that happened today, and some stickers and stuff like that. So, and these stickers, again, these came from the Christian bookstore, Lifeway Christian Books, by the way. So yeah, that is the monthly spread. And then here is the weekly one. Again, I did a little stamping and kind of colored this little flower in, and I may go back and color this one in. And these were the Dollar Tree stamps that I stamped with here. And then I used this striped washi that I got from Dollar Tree. You know, the pack where you get the, I think it's 6 skinny little washi's in it. I used one of those in here and just put, and it worked really good. It coordinates really nicely with the colors of the planner or the journaling planner. So yeah, it looks really nice. So, and they fit perfectly. The size and the width is perfect for this. So yeah, that is that. And then I will be starting on the next week. Cannot wait to do that. But yeah, that is it, y'all. That's my little planner spread. And like I said, I have one more, and that's the household planner, the projects that I plan on doing here in the house. So yeah. And like I said, if you want to be on that prayer list, let me know, honey. I don't mind praying for you. And again, if you want to do like a letter exchange, let me know down below if you'd be interested in that. And I'd like to do that, you know. So yeah, and if there's something you want to see in the planners or some little projects you want me to do, I'm planning on making some little planner accessories. So I'm going to bring that in a video here, actually in the next couple days. I've already filmed that. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video. And until my next one, I will see y'all then. Bye.